Welcome to this tutorial about basic interactive Excel dashboard concepts. We will be talking about what a dashboard is, what a slicer is, and other things you need to know about interactive dashboards in Excel. Now let's talk about this tutorial. After completing this tutorial, you will be able to describe a dashboard, define a slicer, and analyze data using that dashboard. Before we go any further, here's a screenshot of an interactive dashboard in Excel. The dashboard is interactive because we can select the division and the region here to see the various levels of sales revenue associated with those selections. Now let's cover some Excel dashboard basics. A dashboard is an interactive tool that allows the user to extract and analyze relevant insights while displaying information in a visual way. Analysis performed with the aid of an interactive dashboard is easier and quicker than scrolling through multiple views and lots of data. A slicer is a button that can be clicked to filter a table or pivot table in Excel. It also allows you to quickly see what filter criteria are currently being used. You may have multiple slicers controlling charts and tables in the dashboard. Here there are two slicers. You would click on the button in each slicer to indicate which data you want to display. In this specific dashboard, you can only choose one button at a time within each slicer. When those slicer buttons are clicked, the charts and tables change. You would be able to click on one of each of the slicers and observe how the related charts, tables, and other information change. Depending on the size and resolution of the screen that you are using to view a dashboard file, you may want to change the zoom level for viewing. The zoom slider is in the lower right corner of your Excel screen. You can slide it either way to increase or decrease how much of the dashboard you can see on your screen. You might have more than one dashboard. Look for the Worksheet tabs at the bottom of your Excel window. If you have more than one dashboard available, you can click on the Worksheet tabs to navigate through the dashboards. Again, you may only have one dashboard, depending on the case. The layouts of slicers can be different. You may have a slicer across the top of your screen. You may have slicer boxes in various places on the dashboard. The layout of your slicers can vary depending on the situation. Now we come to the thinking and analysis part. Think about the questions that you could ask and get the answers to by using the slicer buttons on the dashboard. The information a manager or other user of the dashboard needs can be retrieved just by clicking on a slicer or two. It's that easy. I hope you have found this interactive dashboard tutorial useful. These same dashboard concepts can be applied when using another tool such as Power BI or Tableau. It is much easier to use a dashboard than it is to click through multiple sheets of data for an answer. That's it. We are done with this video. This video was created by Dr. Sell-Tietz. Have a great day.